Asset protection can be very, very complex. And if that's not complex enough, income taxes, oh my gosh, that just boggles most people's minds. And then we add in estate planning with that. And so what we're trying to do in our summit is bring the best experts in the nation. We're bringing some of the best attorneys. We're bringing some of the best instructors on how to grow wealth, on how to protect wealth, on how to save money on taxes. We're trying to bring the best people that have heart and are also very, very good at explaining things. And you'll hear in a summit, for instance, next week, Monday, Clint Coons will explain asset protection. And then you'll hear it from a real estate investor, and then you'll hear it from a stock market investor. And then I'll wrap up usually, and I'll say, look, here's, if you didn't get it the first couple times, let me diagram it a little bit differently. And it's not that we're teaching different things. What we're doing is we're teaching strategies. The analogy we probably overused and beat up like a dead horse is playing chess. There's not one way to win chess. What we can do is, if we can teach you that the queen moves this way and the knight moves this way and the bishop moves this way, and teach strategies to think ahead of the game and to think ahead of the potential plaintiffs in your life, there's always different strategies. That's what we're going to do. And so Clint might have maybe a different way of explaining things, but we're really quite on the same page. Patrick James might have new ideas on taxes, and Scott Estel does, but neither one of them are wrong. We're there to teach strategies. And we've designed this summit. We've been teaching it since 1999. I think that adds up to like 22 years. We've been teaching it a long time, and where are we at? I think the 98th summit or something. We've been teaching this. We've taught over 17,000 unique business owners, real estate investors. We've had a lot of students come through this, and we've come to be pretty good at anticipating your questions before they're asked. We're not trying to talk over anyone. We're trying to teach in a very, very easy to understand building block format so that you understand, not that you're a junior attorney going out to save the world, but you understand my situation. And as your situation changes and grows, know that they're just building blocks. Once we get the foundation in place, we add on a block here, we take off a block here, but we build upon the structure that you've built. That's what we want, is we want a good, solid, strong foundation. And I think that we're, for the most part, really good at teaching that. So invite you to the summit if you haven't been to our summit yet. We've got the one coming up is a Zoom, so it's a live stream event. It starts on Monday morning, 9 o'clock Mountain Time. If you're not registered, go to protectwealth.com and register. We'd love to have you come to our 3-day summit.